morning we're going to start with our drills, starting from our 3 times table up to our 5 times table. Let's go.
3 times 0 equals 0. 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 times 5 equals 15. 3 times 6 equals 18. 3 times 7 equals 21. 3 times 8 equals 24. 3 times 9 equals 27. 3 times 10 equals 30. 3 times 11 equals 33. 3 times 12 equals 36. 4 times 0 equals 0. 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. 4 times 3 equals 12. 4 times 4 equals 16. 4 times 5 equals 20. 4 times 6 equals 24. 4 times 7 equals 28. 4 times 8 equals 32. 4 times 9 equals 36. 4 times 10 equals 40. 4 times 11 equals 44. 4 times 12 equals 48. 5 times 0 equals
4
0.
times 12 equals what?
48.
Okay, let's go. 5.
5 times 0 equals 0. 5 times 1 equals 5. 5 times 2 equals 10. 5 times 3 equals 15. 5 times 4 equals 20. 5 times 5 equals 25. 5 times 6 equals 30. 5 times 7 equals 35. 5 times 8 equals 40. 5 times 9 equals 45. 5 times 10 equals 50. 5 times 11 equals 55. 5 times 12 equals 60.
Alright. Do you know your 6 times table?
Yes, Mom. Yes, Mom.
Can I have one volunteer? Serenity, get up and say your 6 times table first, please.
6 times
Stand up.
6 times 0 equals 0. 6 times 1 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. 6 times 3 equals 18. 6 times 4. 6 times 4 equals.
Alright, let's go, Ariana.
6 times 0 equals 0. 6 times 1 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. 6 times 3 equals 18. 6 times 4 equals 24. 6 times 5 equals 30. 6 times 6 equals 36. 6 times 7 equals 42. 6 times 8 equals 48. 6 times 9 equals 54. 6 times 10 equals 60. 6 times 11 equals 66. 6 times 12 equals 76.
Good, alright. So now I need some volunteers. Come, Shikara. Come, Caleb, Tio, Jalen, and Marco.
I'm gonna check up on you.
Soraya, Ariana.
when you have a lack in some area, it causes the next area to work itself hard.
Alright, class. I want you to look at these group of students and tell me what number that is. Notice the place value charts in their hands. Notice the place value charts in their hand. Know you want to try it? Can you tell us the number that's up there?
300, 330, 333.
No. Right. No, no, no. You tell me. Go again.
300, 342.
342. Is he correct?
Yes,
All right, come over here. Come over. Slide right here. Come over, girl. Now. Okay, y'all guess that number. Let's go, Quintinique.
331.
331. Okay, so what if we multiply, the first number was what? 300?
342.
The first number was what?
342.
Okay, and the second number is what?
331.
Okay, so if I ask you to times this first number by 2, what would we do? What would happen to the numbers? Who can tell me what would happen to the numbers if I said do that? You know? It become bigger how? It be bigger by adding it 2 times. So what do we call it? What do we call that? Let me multiply by 2. It's a D word I'm looking for. When we times by 2, our answer is what?
No.
It's a D word.
Divisor?
A multiplication D word. Okay, double. We double the number, right? When we multiply by 2, we double the number because we add the same number how many times?
2 times.
Now, let's say I said to multiply. Let's say we multiply by 10. What would our number be? We did this last week.
3,000.
Seymour, go ahead. 3,420. That's easy, right? But what if I said, now let's multiply this number by this number? What do you think we need to do? What do you think y'all we need to do when we have to multiply this big number by this big number? It's something we learned last week. Okay, anybody? Ariana? No, we did math last week and we learned about what, Michael? We multiply by 2 digits, but how did we multiply by 2 digits? What did we use? Close. We did what? Go ahead. Noah. So we multiply using what? The steps. Yes, remember? Many zoos, many animals. Who remember many zoos, many animals? Now you're remembering. So what you think today's topic is going to be? We did multiply by 2 digits last week. What is today? My the mark off. Multiplying by 3-digit numbers. So today our topic is multiplying by 3-digit numbers, and we are going to follow these steps to multiply this big number. So we know this step help us when we multiply by what? 2 digits. Do you think this step is going to help us to multiply by 3 digits? Okay, we'll see. So before we move on, who can tell me some multiplication vocabulary words? Who can remember Baz's name? Give me one. Ariana, give me one. Think about it before you do it. Times. DeMarco. Partial product. Yajana. Noah. Share. Okay, I ain't sure, but let's Jada. Factor, good. Bazine. Double. Product. What is this? No, what is this? It's a factor, but what type of factor? For multiplication. Multiplicand. And what is this one? Multiplier. Thank you, Jackie. Good. So, and where do our partial product goes? Underwear. Okay. All right. Good. You all know multiplication words. Good. So now, guess what? I placed some charts on your desk with some counters. I'm gonna call off, but we can use the same number here. I want you have each group of 3 different colors. You are going to use the counters and create this word on your place value chart. I'm going to create this number on your place value chart. Yes, working as a group. So you understand that? You are going to work as a group. You're going to use this number here. I'm going to circle a number. Using your counters, you have 3 different color counters. You are going to create this number on your place value chart. And you're going to tell me which number, which color represent which place value. Go ahead, you have 1 minute. You're using the counters to mix the numbers. You think it's easy? Just put the amount there. So you have 3 different counters, right? You're going to create 342 on your place value chart and using the counters. So how do you think you would create that number on your place value chart? How do you think? Alright, good. Marker. And the whole group, yes, the marker. Okay, good. Good. That was easy, right? So this shows us what? What you think this shows us? What y'all think? Y'all have three different colors. Why did y'all choose to mix up your colors? Why did you decide to, okay, why did you decide to use three different colors in each finger? To make it look pretty. Why you think it would have been best that you use one color per column? Because they all have different values. Good thinking. Good thinking. Did y'all get it? Good. All right. So y'all got it. So now let's create this number, the 331, right underneath that, because we're gonna times these. Y'all get that? Let's create this 331 right underneath. Don't move what you out there. Let's create this one. No, leave those ones and then add the numbers. I like how you change the colors to represent the different numbers. Yes, how you do that. That's very nice. This one, that is bad. What made you change the colors? You just put anything, you didn't thought about it. So y'all didn't help us? Okay. Okay, so I noticed two groups did this. They changed the color of the second numbers. So, for instance, for example, all eyes on me? So, for example, that first number, they had 3 black bears as the 100, 4 blue bears in the 10th place, and 2 red bears in the 1st place. That's their first number. And then when they did the second number, they decided to change the color and they did 3 blue bears in the 100th place, 3 red bears in the 10th place, and 1 black bear in the 1st place. This group did that and that group did that. Tamako, can you explain to the class why he did that? Listen to the Tamako. What are you saying? So that was his way of differentiating between the numbers. So now, let's look at our problem here. Right? We have this big number, and we want to do what? What do we want to do with this? Multiply by what?
3 digits.
3 digits. What is the 3-digit number?
342.
What do we want to do? We want to multiply 342 by 331. And remembering our steps from the 2-digit number, how can we multiply this number? What is the first step we're going to take? Noah.
Multiplying. First we multiply the 1.
We multiply the 1. Let's elaborate on that a little bit more. We multiply the 1 by what? We multiply the 1 by 2. And what are we doing here, Shakara? He said multiply the 1 by 2. We sticking on the first step. The first step. He said multiply 1 by 2. What is that? What are we doing here? Page.
When we multiply 1 by 2, put the answer.
Yeah, but what does it say? Let's read it.
Multiply the top number by the 1's digit.
So what number is in the 1's digit?
1.
And so what are we going to do with this 1?
Multiply the top 2.
The top number, right? By the 1 in the 1's column, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So let's go. Y'all tell me the answer.
342.
How y'all jump so fast?
Because the 1 and the multiplied by the 1 is the same.
Because what? Anytime.
Multiplied by 1 is the same number.
Being at the tree.
We did?
Why we didn't do nothing with them? Because why?
We still on the
We on step 1. That's why we didn't multiply this. So now, what we do next?
Automatic 0.
Add it where? Here?
No, Mom.
At the bottom of the 2. Okay.
Now 3 times 3.
Hold on. What we do next? What is the next step?
Multiply the top number by the 10th digit.
What number is in the 10th?
3.
Alright, so let's go.
3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 4 is 12. Put the 2 carry the 1. 3 times 3 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. Put the whole 10.
Hold on. This trying to say oddness. What do y'all think? Let me see hands. Let me see the hands. Shakara, should we add? Hold on, we just multiply that 3. Serenity.
Because that one was multiplied by 2 digits.
Okay.
And
So
this
the,
one's 3.
okay, and so what we have to do? What we have to do now? Do we go back to multiply? Step 1. We have to go back to step 1. So what we multiplying?
3 times.
We multiply 3 times 2. And put the
Put
answer.
automatic 0.
Oh, put 2 automatic 0 where?
Underneath the 6 and the 0.
Why we put 2 automatic 0?
Because we're in the 100th place.
Because what?
We're in 100th place.
Ah, so this place is the 1's place. This place is the
10.
and this is
100.
alright, good. So now what do we do?
3 times
3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 4 equals 12. Put the 2 carry the 1. 3 times 3 equals 9. Plus 1 is 10. So put the whole 10. Now we add 2 plus 0 is 2. 10 plus 10.
3 plus 2, 12.
3 plus 3, 1, 1.
So what is our answer now?
1,130,000.
Okay, hands, let me hear somebody. Michael, let's go.
113,202.
113 102. Alright, so let's see. Okay, I see what you tried, yeah. Alright, so let's try one on your own. Yeah, independently, let's try one on your own. You can try it right now. Give us space, give us space. Y'all doing this, okay. 3 minutes. Signing up, 3 minutes. Thank you, that's enough. If y'all know your timetable, y'all move faster. Let's go, 3 minutes time. I come around to see everyone. Why is it a challenge? It's not that hard. You want to know what times table. Who got to finish? Raise your hand if you finish. Raise your hand if you finish. Alright, let's work it out together. You still gonna try? We can work on it together. Let's go. So let's go. All eyes on me.
All eyes on you.
All eyes on me. All pencils down. All pencils down. Rashante, Balzane, Jackie, Tyson. That's Ariana. Let's look this way. So let's go. What is our first step?
Multiply the total number by the ones place.
Okay, and so what number is in the ones place?
9.
Now let's go. Let's multiply.
9 times 6 equals 54. We use the 4 and carry up the 5. 9 times 3 is 27 plus 5 is 32. Nine times 4 equals 36 plus 3 is 39.
Only couple people answering. Y'all didn't know y'all 9 times 7 is. So what do we do now?
8 times 6 is
Hold on, let me hear that. Multiply what?
Multiply 436 by the tens place.
Good. And so, what number is in the tens place?
8.
Theo, what number is in the tens place?
8.
Okay, and let's multiply 8 by
6 is 48.
48. Put the
8 carry the 4. 8 times 3 is 24 plus 4 is 28. 8 times 4 is 28 plus 2 is
8 times 4 is what? 8. What we do? Add.
Put the 2 on the
Hold on, everybody listen. Shakara asked, why did we put 2 zeros? Can y'all answer? Why did we put 2 zeros? Theo, let's hear Theo. Why did we put 2 zeros? We are at the hundredth place, Shakara. So we have to put 2 zeros to represent 100. Good. So now what do we do?
Multiply
136 by
Okay, 436 by the hundredth place, and 2 is in the hundredth place. Let's go.
2 times 6 equals 12. 22 carry the 1. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. 2 times 4 is 8. Odd. Odd. 4. 10. Put the 0 carry the 1.
20. Put the 0 carry the 2. 16. Put the 6 carry the 1.
I need to mark up answering.
12.
Did anybody reach this far? Anybody have this answer? Let me come around and see. You didn't get the finish? You didn't get the finish? Good. Good. Where did you go wrong? Where you get the second row from, the third row, fourth row from? That's where you went wrong. Where did that come from? Where did you go wrong? still writing, so I mean, you was writing when you was doing it. You didn't get finished? Good. You look like you erased that.
Yeah, that's when that was before you all that.
Get the first ones. Okay. Yes, finish. Okay, let's try one more. Right down here just now. Alright, that's good. Let me get you on the next one. Okay, good. Let's have a next one. One time. This one should be easy though. This is big numbers. I give you all 4 minutes. One extra minute. Y'all should be thankful. That's easy numbers. Y'all should know your 5 times table, your 2 times table. The hardest one is the 7.
No. The hardest one is 12. 12 easy.
Let's work. Let's work. Quick. Alright, who all finished? Who all got to finish? Raise your hand. You finished? You didn't raise hands like this, did you? Oh, you wasn't done yet. Yeah, I can see. Alright, let's work. Alright, let's work this out together. Who was having challenges with this? What was your challenge? Let's listen to Ezra because his challenge may have been one of your challenges. What is your challenge with this, Ezra? Huh? It was difficult multiplying, so you didn't know your timetables. And you got challenged? You had challenge, yes or no? No, but you didn't finish. All right. Okay, so maybe you're putting it in the wrong place, or maybe you're multiplying the wrong answer. Theo, you want to share what was your challenge? I know. It's okay to share. Somebody else might have had this challenge, and I did see somebody else have this challenge. When we have our answer, if we have an answer like this, 7 times 4 is what?
28.
28, right? What number are we putting down and what number are we carrying?
8 down on the 2 up.
Why are we putting the 8 down and carrying the 2?
Because it's in the ones.
The 8 is in the ones place and we're multiplying by the ones place. So we write the 8 and we carry the 2. Tyson, you saw that? When we multiply, if you're not sure how to write it, you write the number on the side, and then you look what is in the ones place, what is in the tens place, or maybe what is even in the hundreds place. And that's how you know what number you write down and what number you carry, okay? We didn't finish doing this one. Now what do we do next? Yes, the marker is what? All right, let's go, Ariel. What do we do next? 7 times 5 is what?
36.
All right. Totoro, what do we do next? Let Totoro answer. Come on. What do we do next? Let's go, Charles. What do we do next? Add the automatic 0 under the 8.
Cross out the 7 so you don't have a
And the numbers on the top.
cross out the 2 and then move on to the next.
Okay, let's go quickly.
3 times 4 is 12. Put the 2 there. 3 times 2 is 6.
1 is 7.
3 times 2 is 15.
Two automatic zeros.
Cross out the 3 and the 1. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 5 is 10. Now we add 8. 21. So 21. So 2 was a put 1 and then carry the 2. 14. 12. 14. 4 carry 1. 2. And 1.
Who got that answer?
I do wish I got.
Okay. Did you get to finish? Did you get that answer? What you saw what you did wrong? What did you do wrong? Okay. So we know how important our timetables are to multiply, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so close your books. I have a game for you to play. working in groups, right? One person is going to run back. You see that purple box in the back there?
Yes,
That's called a problem station. You hear that? That is called a problem station. You're going, one person from the group is going to run and grab a card from the problem station, bring it back to the group, and you have to solve it. Once you solve it, you raise your hand, so come up to me, so I can check it and put it in the answer box and give you your point. The group that gets the most right in 4 minutes win the prize, okay? Sit down. Sit down. Who is going to run for Shante? Stand up. Jada, stand up. Shante, stand up. Antonio is going to run. He only running and bringing it back to the group for y'all to solve it, okay? Y'all hear that? Run, bring it back to the group so y'all can solve it. Paige and Shakara. When you come back, the next person to run, it'll be someone different, okay? So everybody can get a chance if your group is fast enough. So on your mark, get set, go. And take time. Don't rush the ball. Yeah, and strong. You have to fix it before you can move on to the next number. Fix, wrong. Fix it.
Wrong.
Fix it, look over it. Take your time. I mean, take your time, but still try to get it right.
9 times 1.
Wrong.
I said 9 times 5.
Y'all don't know y'all rate 9 times table. That's what I'm doing. But y'all always write on your Looks like you two moving next. There's only them on the scoreboard right now. And that was time. I give you all an extra minute to see wrong again. 1 minute. Alright, that was time. Let's see about here. That's not Alright, all eyes on me. Stop what you are doing. All eyes on me. 5, 4, 3, 2. One. All eyes on me.
All eyes on you.
So y'all see where most of your challenges was, right? Where most of your challenges were, right?
Yes, Mom.
When you add the automatic 0, you do not go underneath it to answer to multiply the column. So you don't do this. You don't do that. You fill it in right here where the number is, okay? So you in the 1 to 10th place, you do it right next to the number. That was your challenge. And then y'all need to learn your multiplications, okay? Your timetables, All right, so now I'm gonna give you a worksheet. You are going to work individually to answer as many as possible before the time goes off. Okay? You can begin. You are doing it individually. I need to see where everyone is at. working on the paper. I wanna see you working. Your working gives you points. Your working gives you points. Y'all have 4 minutes. Y'all have 5. But I started at 4. If you don't remember the steps, look right on the board. And you can see the steps. Let me put it over a little bit. Can y'all see this? Y'all can see the steps? Alright, for those who may need it. Hey, look, you can see the steps, it's dancing in the inside, not the way. if you would notice, I placed some whiteboards in your group. I'm going to ask a question and you're going to write the answer on the whiteboard. Does everyone understand that? All pencils down, Ariel, Jackie, Michael. All right, ready to rock?
Ready to roll.
Hold your markers up. Who writing? You good, pass it after you write. Just going to pass it to Michael and then Jackie, okay? That's how we're going to rotate it. All right, are you ready? Are you ready? Ready to rock?
Ready to roll.
How many steps do we need to multiply by 3-digit numbers? How many steps? Let me multiply again. 5, 6. 6 steps. Because after we do this is only for the 2 digits. Then we go back to here. We add another 2 zero. Then we what? Multiply. And then we add. So we added 2 more steps to this, right? So 2 steps to this would have made it this 4 step. Add 2 more steps to this. 4 steps here. We add 2 more steps. 6. Okay. How many partial products do a multiplication problem have when multiplying by 3-digit numbers? How many partial products would you have when multiplying by 3-digit numbers? What number is that? What number is that? How many partial products should you have? 3. All right, now go pass it around. Name one of the multiplication vocabulary words. Name one multiplication vocabulary word. Done. What is that? Good. Good. Last question. Solve 342. Write the number down. 342. Right? 342 times 163. 342 times 163. 342 times 163. Number backwards, so. it's supposed to be 55. I know you're all right, Jordan.
We get it.
But that is it for today. You can get, okay, play it there. No, those, you have to finish your math. Rest of it on the side. You finish?